And we're going to take this right into a lunge and then lunge with a twist. So let's come into a forward fold one more time. You can bend the knees and just hinge from the hips and come all the way down. Step your right leg all the way back, runner's lunge. Okay, so blocks are also a really nice option here in runner's lunge. So I'm going to come behind Chris here into a kneeling position. My one hand is going to come underneath his upper thigh, and I'm going to use that hand to pull up on the thigh. My other hand will come to the sacrum. I'm going to press and lift forward on the sacrum so that you'll see that his spine just got a little bit longer. Crown of the head is pressing forward, right? So that way the back is not rounded. So you can notice how that shifted him automatically when I did that. And at the same time, I'll press the thigh up to the sky. And let's release it down, Chris. Lower the back knee. Take a child's pose. Good, guys. Remember, so really important to be in tune with your student when you're doing the assist. So really noticing how they're breathing, if they're able to come deeper into the posture, or if they're tightening up, right? We never want to push or force. We want them to have a great experience in the posture with the assist. So we're going to take a lunge to the other side, and then we'll add a twist. Okay, so let's come into a tabletop, Chris, and then you can step your left leg forward in between your hands. Good, so now we're in our lunge on the other side. We're going to take a twist first, and I'll show you the twist and then the option when he lifts the leg. So let's take right elbow to the outside of the left thigh. Good, so hands are pressing right at the center of the chest. First option, I'm going to take my hands right underneath the rib cage and just start to spiral and rotate so the left rib cage and chest rolls open to the sky. That's option one. Now, if he was able to lift and hover the back knee and come into that runner's lunge so you can curl your back toe, lift and hover, I'm going to take my thighs and squeeze his thigh. So I'm really stabilizing his lower body here. Right away, he'll feel like he has more space to twist because he feels stable. I can also take my hands and then twist. Good, really nice. Good, let's release it down, lower the back knee, and take a child's pose.